So these are the 3D bird bangles. As the saree has some bird in it, they wanted to make bangles with birds 3D design. So I made this. There was a gap. This is for kids. So I tried 2 or 3 times, and finally this is my final output. By doing 2 3 attempts, this came perfectly. Let me show you my attempted one. So this was the patch made before, just to know if I can make it well or not. So this was something, and this is the one, and the final output. This came so perfectly that the kunals are thick, more than what I could. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to place order in silkthreadmaterials.com, or you can view the links on my profile page for Instagram account, Facebook and everything. My WhatsApp group also. Thank you for watching.